वो थोड़ी सी जर्नी के बारे में बताएं, बिकॉज इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक एंड फैंटाबुलस.
So because I wanted autism to be represented as a superpower, which my niece is, which Adi is, they're superpowers. I think we look at them oddly because we think that we are perfect, but they look at us oddly. कि कैसे अजीब व गरीब लोग हैं. तो जब मैंने पहले अभिषेक को बताया था इसके बारे में, ऊंचाई के राइटर थे मेरे साथ, तो मैंने इनको सुनाया. फिर अंकुर के साथ मैंने कागज़ 2 में काम किया था. वी वांटेड टू गेट इनटू अ सिचुएशन वेयर दिस ऑटिस्टिक गर्ल comes from an army family and discover that father did not die as a hero and decides to join army, which Indian army does not take autistic people. So it's already a difficult job. And then what happens? So I think we've had work for 1 year. आज ही अभिषेक ने मैसेज भेजा कि आज से 1.5-2 साल पहले हम पहली बार बैठे थे गोवा में. So गोवा, दिल्ली, हम सब काफ़ी करते हैं. But we had a picnic. We had a blast working in this film. मतलब joy working in this film. Everything. We've shot in Lansdowne, which is an actual cantonment area. We were there for 55 years. We were 55 years, नहीं 55 months. No, what am I saying? 55 days. शांत हो जा बेटा, शांत हो जा. ट्रेलर की तारीफ हो रही है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तेरा दिमाग खराब हो जाए. चुप कर. 55 days. Shamek, I'm so happy. And Raj has sung one of my most favorite songs also in the film. It's wonderful. Thank you so much, Raj. So I think it's our job to do it. But when you do it with, let's have fun. Let's enjoy. We did not craft the script. We just poured in whatever we had. And Roz Sham ko Jaggu, and we used to play dumb charades every evening. We used to eat together. Nobody will go to their room. We lived like a family for those 55 days. And I think sometimes Ingmar Bergman, the Swedish director, बोलते थे, sometimes the love in the unit shows on the screen. And I think that's what is there.
It's that the universality of the story की सब connect करेंगे.
Komal will agree with me that the box office has to be great. You know, no, why I went abroad and sort of brought the recognition to the film, because when you make a film something like this and with the help of people like Anil और मैं, जब suddenly Anil का point of view was very valid. I had made a longer film. That's why we've not decided on the OTT platform as yet. We want the audience to come on Flare, and that's why I think people over here will spread the word and audience will come in. It's important. And बाहर इसीलिए करा कि ताकि वहाँ से तारीफ मिलती है तो यहाँ के लोग बड़े impress होते हैं कि अरे इनको अच्छी लगी है. But at the end of it, a film, people make choices these days to watch a film. And for a film like this, these stalwarts over here, they've done amazing work. The music is so soul-searching, so soul-stirring. It's a musical. There are 9 songs in the film, and they have given their life to this film. I'm very fortunate, and hopefully the audience will come and make it their film, because it's a film about not necessarily autism. It's a film about hope. It's a film about goodness. It's a film about love. And unfortunately, or fortunately, or strangely, we learn it from an autistic person.
ओम जय जगदीश के बाद ये आपकी दूसरी डायरेक्टोरियल है, तो क्या शुरू से ही इरादा था कि इस फिल्म को आप ही डायरेक्ट करेंगे या फिर किसी और के पास भी लेके गए?
नहीं, मैं क्यों लेके जाऊंगा किसी और के पास. दैनिक जागरण से हो, जाग जाओ थोड़ा बेटा. नहीं, मैंने डायरेक्ट ही करना चाहता था. मैं ही बनाना चाहता था इसको, बिकॉज मैं, जो मेरी तन्वी है, उसी को देख के दिमाग में आइडिया आया था. और इसी, जब आपकी पटरी ठीक चल रही होती है तो आप उसको हिलने नहीं देते हैं, मगर अगर ग्रो करना है तो आपको ऐसे चैलेंजेस लेने ही पड़ते हैं. वरना क्या है, मैं 70 साल का हूँ अभी, मुझे लगता है कि 20 साल और काम करूँगा तो मैं उसी ढर्रे पे चल सकता हूँ. बट आई लाइक टू टेक चैलेंजेस वेयर लाइफ मेक्स इट डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर मी, एंड इट्स ओनली बिकॉज व्हेन यू मेक इट डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर योर सेल्फ दैट यू कैन कम अप विथ समथिंग होपफुली एज ब्यूटिफुल एज दिस इज़. मैं हमेशा से कीको नाकाहारा को अपनी DOP लेना चाहता था. तो शूटिंग से 7-8 महीने पहले मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया. उन्होंने कहा मिस्टर खेर आई एम बिज़ी बिकॉज आई एम इन जापान एंड आई कैन नॉट शूट. फिर मैंने कोशिश की, फिर मैंने उनको जब शूटिंग नज़दीक आने लगी फिर मैंने कहा यार नहीं मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ, फिर देखता हूँ. तो 3 मिस्ड कॉल मैंने एक ही दिन में उनको दी. फिर उनका 3-4 घंटे बाद उनका फ़ोन आया. तो उन्होंने कहा कि Oh, Mr. Ka, you are very persistent. बोलिए, what is the story of the film? So I said, it's the story of a girl who shows autism as a superpower. She said, I'm doing your film. I said, पूरी कहानी नहीं सुनी. तो फिर वो आ गई. फिर जब हम लोकेशन हंटिंग कर रहे थे तो एक दिन मैंने उससे पूछा कि केको, why did you sort of? She said, let me tell you a story. She said, when you first called me up, I was 9 months pregnant. So I couldn't have done the film. When you later called me up, my son was 3 months old and my sister said he's not looking at you while you are doing hello beta. So I had gone to the doctor and doctor said that he has autistic spectrum. And when I came home there were 3 missed calls from you and you said this is the story. I thought there was hope for my son and I'm wanting to do this film.
So I'll just ask you, do you consider it a privilege to get that chance to kind of represent that community?
Hi Akash and hello everybody. Thank you for coming. Yes, it's more than a privilege. I think it is. I keep telling sir and everybody that I think this is my second birth. So it's a very big chance and I'm still processing everything every day that's happening in my life regarding the movie. I'm still processing. It's more than a dream. It is now a reality, but it's a very big privilege. And I thank God, I thank my family, and I thank Anupam sir. Thank you so much for believing in me and for Actor Prepares. Yes, thank you. And Herman sir also is here. No.
Tell us your experience about this. Like Nitin, my friend here said, you also saw the trailer. You were also teary-eyed. The kind of response you've been getting, it's kind of overwhelming, right?
Yeah.
Did you expect this?
No. So every time, since I'm growing up, I used to come sit right there and always because I used to love watching movies. I still love watching movies, but I used to my first instinct, my first thought used to always be, main kab aungi? When will I see? And even my family, my uncle is here, my brother, my aunt. And, I used to always tell them ki main kab aungi? When will I see myself and they are like, hamari bhi yehi dua hai beta. Hame bhi tujhe screen pe hi dekhna hai. So this is just, it's very overwhelming. The experience with everybody, they were all like family, Initially, I used to feel, because they are such big stars, and I've always seen their acting and I look up to them. Jackie sir, Baman sir, Pallavi ma'am, Anupam sir, so many people. And just looking up to them, initially, every scene, my first scenes with them, I used to get a little intimidated. And more than that, starstruck, awestruck, because they were so good. And I was like, how am I supposed to? I used to tell sir, main kaise karu? And then just believe in yourself, just focus. And then he used to motivate me by saying, what is the name of the movie? I used to say, Tanvi the Great. Who's playing Tanvi? I said, me. Then that's it, go. Kill it. And I think, so I think that really worked. So I really thank my stars and these stars. So, yeah.
Karan, your debut on the big screen, like a big step for you as well. So how much nervousness, excitement and all is there? Because there has been so much anticipation regarding it, but finally it's happening. How is it feeling?
Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. It is so nice to come to a press conference which is so flooded with the press. So thank you so much. I know how much this means to Anupam sir and to all of us as a team. It's definitely nerve-wracking. I feel like, I've been working for the last 16 years, but every time you have a release of any kind, it puts you really, really anxious. While sir, मैं theatre से नहीं हूँ, but हाथ पाँव मेरे भी बड़े ठंडे हो जाते हैं. मैं सर को ये पकड़ के कह रहा था, मैं सर आपके भी हाथ ठंडे हैं. पर बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि मैं एक्चुअली जब मैं नीचे बैठा था और मैं एमएम साहब को परफॉर्म करते हुए देख रहा था और मैंने फिर पोस्टर देखा ना, आई सॉ द लाइन ऑफ पीपल दैट आई वाज सिटिंग विथ. और वाकई मैं अपने करियर में अपने आप को बड़ा शुक्रगुजार समझता हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा एक मौका मिला जहाँ मैं एक पोस्टर शेयर कर सकता हूँ अनुपम खेर जी के साथ, बमन ईरानी के साथ, नासिर साहब के साथ, विद जैकी दादा एंड ऑफ कोर्स फिल्म दैट हैज़ म्यूजिक ऑफ एमएम सर. सो it doesn't feel that I must have done something right. I just really feel very privileged for that respect and that honor, sir. And I remember when sir called me about a year and a half ago and he narrated the concept to me. और मेरे को पहले दिन ही सर ने म्यूज़िक सुनाया था. आई वॉज रियली सोल्ड एंड आई टोल्ड मैं सर मैं आपके साथ बस काम करना चाहता हूँ. बाकी क्या होगा हम we'll figure that through the course of it. And today I feel very very happy and very moved, quite frankly, when I saw the trailer myself. So thank you, sir. A huge round of applause, guys, for Anupam Kher. Because we all know how much love he's put in this, and truly he means it when he says that this film is made with all heart and all love, because that's how he is as a man himself. So thank you, sir. Thank you. While yes, I do play Captain Pratap Rana, Samar Pratap Rana here, and he is also in uniform from the other things that I've done. But for me, I'll be very honest, I feel the job of the character is very by the way. For me, it's always trying to find the human inside that uniform, and that's what I've done with this. As far as playing a biopic after this is concerned, well, you never know. As and when that time comes, I think I'd like to talk about that. Today is for Tanvi the Great, and I couldn't be happier to be a part of such a sensitively told narrative.
Jagu Dada, I'll come to you. सबसे इतना सारा प्यार मिलता है यहाँ पे when you work with someone who's really close to you, और फिर इस प्रोजेक्ट पे जब आप आते हैं तो वो कैसा रहता है, पूरा माहौल क्या होने वाला हुआ, क्या हुआ, सब शुरू से अब तक बता दीजिए हमको.
वो ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ. आप सबको बहुत सादर प्रणाम, और अनुपम जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने मुझे इस फिल्म में कास्ट किया. पहली बार जब मुझे उन्होंने बुलाया और गाना सुनाया तो शायद वहाँ पे आंसुओं की नदियाँ बह रही थी दोनों की. हम लोग ज़्यादा रोते, मैं तो रोता हूँ मगर तकिए पे रोता हूँ, तो किसी के सामने रोता नहीं वैसे, मगर आपके सामने ज़रूर आंसू निकल गए. MM साहब, आपने बहुत खूबसूरत म्यूज़िक दिया. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on this stage with such fantastic cast and crew. And Russell, there you are. सारे ऑस्कर के सामने सब बाजू में बैठ के एक फ़ोटो भी लिया दोनों के बीच में. ये नहीं कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मगर मेरा पौधा और आप दोनों का ऑस्कर बहुत भारी है. बाकी बोलने का कुछ नहीं. अनुपम जी ने बहुत प्यार से संभाला और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला भाई. कि एक्टिंग तो मैं कोई स्कूल से आया नहीं हूँ, मगर इनके साथ रहकर कई ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातें, ऐसे न्यूएंसेस जो इन्होंने बताया बिड़ू, मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था. कि मेरे को झाड़ के बारे में पूछेगा तो मैं बता दूंगा, मगर एक्टिंग के बारे में अगर सीखना है तो अनुपम जी से सीखे. वो बहुत खूबसूरत एक्टर भी है, डायरेक्टर भी है, और ही इज़ अ मैन हु इज़ एब्सोल्युटली मेड अ brilliant film. It's soul cleansing, total soul cleansing, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you, Anupam ji.
नमस्ते जी. ये कहना चाहता हूँ that to bring a story about a girl who cannot manipulate in her world to this level, from story writing to this release level, it needs a lot of manipulations. That's what we did. We did a lot of manipulations, me and Anupam ji. It has to be like that because it's a world of perspectives. We walked in Tanvi's shoes. That's how we did it. But in the process, we have to be ourselves, and it requires a lot of manipulation. You know how the world operates. It's a big story I want to share after the release of the movie. Thank you very much.
You are wonderful as a lyricist. I absolutely love and respect your work. And I love the songs for this movie too. So I'm very curious to know that what was the brief given to you that you came up with such appropriate words for an autistic girl to sing?
Thank you, Bhavna ji. What was very interesting in this journey was actually the process. जैसे कि इरवानी सर पहले बता रहे थे when he was before he performed that of course beautiful music is made now, but the process is kind of become mechanical, where the melody is made somewhere and then you either listen to the narration or you read the script और फिर आप लिखते हो जो भी है यहाँ पे. और ये पूरा टोन अनुपम सर ने सेट किया था. वो हम दोनों मिलके हैदराबाद जाते थे और वहाँ पे प्रॉपर सिटिंग्स होती थी जिसमें हम सिचुएशन के बारे में बात करते थे. वो हमें तन्वी के बारे में समझाते थे, वो कैरेक्टर के बारे में, ऑटिज़म के बारे में, और फिर किरवानी सर कहते थे लंच में क्या खाओगे, वो बहुत ज़रूरी था और वो बहुत ही बढ़िया खाना बनवाते थे. सो आई थिंक दैट प्रोसेस where you're involved in the story, in the character, and as human beings who are going through a creative process together, That was the magic that I went through with this film, which is very rare nowadays. वो आपको WhatsApp पे धुन आ जाती है और आपके inbox में script आ जाती है. And I will always be grateful to both these wonderful gentlemen. And वो अनुपम sir अपना white shirt और jeans पहन के मुझसे आधे घंटे पहले एयरपोर्ट पे मिल जाते थे मुझको, and that was wonderful, and I really miss that. And I think yes, it's the beauty of the process and of these wonderfully very creative but also very humane people that I think became.
This one time what happened where there was something happening on set and it was taking a lot of time, and so I said abhi jitna jaldi karna hai kar lo, main apne actors ko jaldi karne nahi bolunga. And that really stayed with me. And apart from that, Jackie sir, you have actually kind of played off my father even off set. Right now also outside you were there supporting me, pushing me ahead, telling me chupna mat. It means a lot to me. And Shivangi, you have done a great job. And it's a last cheese. Sir, it really means a lot to me to be standing here with all of you, and I will never forget this day. Thank you so much.
पल्लवी मैम, मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी तो आपने फिल्म के बारे में बताया था, ये काफ़ी इमोशनल फिल्म है और आपके लिए कई सीन्स ऐसे रहे जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल कर देने वाले रहे. बट मैं ऑन द सेट ऐसे मोमेंट जानना चाहूँगा जो आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इमोशनल रहे.
इस फिल्म में वैसे देखा, नमस्ते एवरीवन, मुझे बहुत देर के बाद बोलने का मौका मिला है. एंड थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग मी द क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली सारे सीन इस फिल्म में, जहाँ तक मेरे सीन है, वो सब इमोशनली थे. और जब अनुपम जी ने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई थी सबसे पहले, तो आई लव द कैरेक्टर. पर सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा मुझे आता था सेट पे, बिकॉज आई थिंक बिटवीन द टू ऑफ अस हम लोग शूटिंग कम और वर्कशॉप ज़्यादा चलाते थे वहाँ पे. सो आफ्टर एवरी शॉट अनुपम जी वुड कम एंड ही वुड से कि थोड़ा इसको अलग ढंग से कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा इस तरह से कर लेते हैं. सो आई थिंक वी वेंट थ्रू एवरी सीन with a lot of interpretations, and that was, I think, the most brilliant thing that an actor can ask for.
No, the general impression that everybody is giving about the film is very melancholic. I think it started with Keeravani. Your singing has made the whole thing very melancholic start, and everybody's like dwelling on it. I would say the film is not melancholic. The film is not about disability. The film is about celebration of life. It's a very uplifting film. I think that's what we need to put it out. And in every boardrooms when we sit and talk, what is happening in Hindi films, what kind of films are working, what kind of films are not working. I think what moved away from Hindi cinema in the last 10 years is that directors who believe in their subject and directors who's passionate about making what they're believing in, finding the resources to do it, finding the people to assemble and stand by them. I think Tanvi the Great is a film like that, and that's what the need of the hour as a film enthusiast and a filmmaker and a person who has been working in the industry for the last more than 25 years. I feel this film is going to be a turning point for Hindi cinema, because here is a film that the director totally believed in, and no corporate said Excel sheets are not working, and these numbers are not working, these people don't make any sense, these people can't bring in enough money, bring people to the theatre. But eventually people come to theatre is for the film, for the story, and what moves them, what stays them, glued them to the seats. That's what this man has done. And hats off to you, sir. And he did one more thing. From Magdira to Bahubali, we missed working each other, and he made it happen for me. Thank you.
It's a very great experience working with Akhil sir. I met him on Vijay 69. I used to work as a stuntman. I saw him a lot of time. But हमारा कभी ऐसा आपस में इतनी बातचीत नहीं हुई थी. When I was action director for Vijay 69, there was few shots which I designed for him. Then he told me he's doing a film. So I told sir, you call me anytime, I'll come to work. And जो रसूल सर ने एक बात बोली थी, बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी कि मैं भी उनसे बहुत Slumdog Millionaire के बाद मिल रहा हूँ. So we worked with him so many years after I'm. So खेर साहब ने मुझे एक चीज़ अच्छा लगा था कि उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से काम करने बोला था. उन्होंने कभी मुझे ये नहीं बोला था मुझे इस फिल्म का रेफरेंस के हिसाब से काम करना है। मेरी फिल्म में मुझे ऐसा चाहिए। That makes something like a creator, as a director who believes himself, not looking to others people work and saying, even मैं इसकी जैसे बनाऊं film. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I've done so many films worldwide, but this film is so special. When I heard the story first, I mean, I always try to understand the story because I have to make the texture. And the texture means I saw the story, I saw the offline, I heard the story. It was so emotional that this is a Hollywood film. It has to look like a Hollywood film. There's a little bit of Disney in there. There's realism in there. So we created something, and I think it just came out beautiful.